Hi, I'm Jason with Stewart's, and today we're going to be talking about necrotic ring.
Necrotic ring spot is a serious lawn disease that we're starting to see spread through Utah. And the way that you can identify it is that you'll have these irregular rings of brown grass that is dying out, but the center of the ring still looks like it's green and healthy. So if you leave this untreated, the problem that we are really concerned about is that this disease will continue to get worse and it can even spread throughout your lawn. So as you see this is happening, you might say to yourself, you know what, I'm just going to rip out this ugly grass and I'm going to bring in some new sod and put that down. But the problem is that the disease actually lives in the soil and not into the actual turf. So if you tear out that turf, put down that new sod, within about 2 to 3 years, this fungus is going to bring back those rings and continue to grow through the lawn. So instead, what we recommend is to first follow proper watering and fertilizing guidelines, because watering and fertilizing properly will help prevent the infection from getting worse. This is really important because a lot of times we will see that overwatering can make the fungus come out a lot worse and create an environment that it can thrive in. The second thing that we recommend is aerating the lawn. So like other fungi, necrotic ring spot, it really thrives in damp, overwatered soil. And aeration helps to loosen up that soil and it makes it more difficult for the necrotic ring to survive. So just make sure that you use a clean, sanitized aerator in order to avoid spreading this disease, because we all will also see that people who have no idea what necrotic ring looks like, if they hit spots that have the necrotic ring and not clean and sanitize their machine, if they go to another home, they run the risk of spreading that disease into other homes. The third recommendation is to overseed the affected areas with a disease-resistant grass seed. The one that is generally used is a perennial ryegrass. So ryegrass will blend in well with the bluegrass and it's unaffected by the necrotic ring. So overseeding with it will be really successful to conceal the infection. Even though it does not get rid of the infection, you can still have green grass that will grow in those spots. So following these steps should help fill in the yellow areas, but be patient because the necrotic ring will usually remain in the soil for 3 to 5 years before it really starts to dissipate. So we really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about necrotic ring, call or text our office today.